Okay, we're in your home page of Yard History 2, and when you click on Lesson Units, Unit 1, and you've read the chapter, and you've done all 4 of these steps, and then you've read the second chapter, and you've done all 4 of these steps, you have checked your course schedule to see when the first exam is due, 214, right here. So you've done that and and you're ready to take the exam, or you're ready to study for the exam. The first thing you want to do is go into these chapters. I'm going to start with the first one. Go into the first exam is going to be, like your course schedule said, it's going to be over chapters 11 and 12. So your first exam is going to be over chapters 11 and 12. So you want to review the slideshow and notes for chapter 11. Notice the bold part in here. First Gothic structure, St. Denis. You might need to know that for the exam. So not every answer is in bold here, but read and don't just memorize the answer. Maybe the answer is around this or an explanation of it or that kind of thing. So you have to know the key terms. And of course, the key terms, what was in bold is right here on your key term list, which is also your review sheet. This is your review sheet for the exam. This is the review sheet for for chapter 11, and there is a key term review sheet for chapter 12. So you're going to review the key terms, and then of course if you've done, this is your assignment, you have to answer the discussion questions for chapter 11 and then for chapter 12. So you're going to just choose one key term. If somebody else has chosen it, go ahead and try to choose one that hasn't been done. We want to make sure and cover every key term on our list. If you wait till the end, then everybody else is going to have already covered all the key terms, so you're going to have to repeat. Make sure you write it in your own words and you do not plagiarize. But this is another way to review for the exam. When there'll be, of course, you're going to create your own thread when you answer these, and it's a good idea to go back and read everybody's post. That's another way reviewing. So you're going to review here, you're going to review here, and you're going to review here. And then I have a few games that you can use to review as well. You have to double click on the icon, and that of course will launch the crossword. And if you read the definitions over here, FLYINGBUTTRESS, and you can check your answers. There you go. So this is just another way to review. It's an optional thing, but all of this review, 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 and review for the exam. It all repeats this information that you need to know. It's not just memorizing answers, it's applying those answers to the art, which you're going to do when you take your exam and also when you write your paper. So I hope this is a helpful review for your very first exam. Remember, the course schedule here, you can always check the due date, when things are due and what is due right here. So it's due at 11:59 on February 14th. And you want to review chapters 11 and 12 to take your first exam. Don't wait until the last minute. If you wait until the last day to take it and you have a technical problem, it's still going to be late because you waited until the last day. I will try to open each unit early, so those of you that finish early can get a jump on the next unit. You've got a little under a month for each unit. So, good luck on your first exam.